Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 11th, 2021. I wanted to come through today and give you all the price prediction in the market for Theta. You guys can see that we already have one on our chart that we spoke on. What was that? July the 19th, 2021. So I want to come in, let you all see how the market has performed against that prediction. And then I'm going to talk about where we're expecting the market price in Theta to go into the future so that you and I can get in position and dominate this cryptocurrency space and make bank. So if you guys want to join us, you can hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. One thing we do here is, if you're new, is we scan off all of that excess information, a lot of that technical indicator jargon that so many people try to get you to understand and realize, and don't even really look at articles, because those things do not predict price movement. The only thing that predict price movement is price itself. So once you actually understand where the market has been, you kind of get understanding where we're trying to go. So I'm going to show you all that today. And as I stated, if today's your first time seeing our video and our content, make sure to hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to our community. So let's go and see what happened into the market in Theta following our last price prediction, which I already told you was right there on July the 19th, 2021, to which I told everyone on that particular video to expect the price in Theta to go down. You guys can see it did, but it didn't last long. The market in Theta went lower one day, and literally it was on the next day, July the 20th, that the market in Theta actually went lower, and we went as low as $3.49, $3.50, right? And since that time, the price in Theta has been in an upward trend, right? And not even that, one of the best things is that the price is now trading above our overall ascending line. That's fantastic for us to see the increase in value for Theta. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this last price prediction. Hopefully you all was able to garner, I think we said $4 into the market in Theta to skim off some profitability there. You had a very small time to grab that profit out the market right before we saw the increase in price. So if you didn't grab it, then we'll be down about 68% right now, if you didn't grab it on the next day of July the 20th, 2021. Okay, so now I wanted to zoom out, and I really want to emphasize how important it is that the price in Theta is now trading above our ascending line. That's very, very positive to see. So now one thing we can do is we can extend out this overall trend and expect the price in Theta to continue to give us the same price movement in the long term. It's just that simple. There's no need for us to place technical indicators on our chart just to get an understanding as to where the market has already been. Now, one thing that you probably have not realized is that the price in Theta, for the most part, we may still be in a downtrend. What do you all think? Do you think the market in Theta is in a downtrend? Or did we break outside of the downtrend? Because currently, I don't think we're in a downtrend. I think the market in Theta has broken this overall downtrend that started in March, hit the bottom in July, and now we're coming right back up to some higher prices, which is very good to see. So, is Theta on the verge of a breakout? That's a very good question. So let's see if the chart can give us an answer. One thing I wanted to show you again is that this area here in Theta is support, okay, $6. So in order for this breakout in Theta to continue, or at least for it to go on, we have to have the price stay above $6. So far, so good. Let's look at the market in Theta on a 3-day time frame. So this is Theta right here on a 3-day time frame, and over the last 6 days, we've seen the market in Theta get induced with a lot more selling, but we overcame the selling in Theta over the last 6 days, which lets us know that the price is still wanting to go higher in price. So why would we come through and say, well, the market is weak, when in fact the trap, the one you see on the bottom left side of my screen, he actually came through and bought up all of the people who was selling their Theta tokens into the market, because he has bigger plans. He has bigger plans to try to increase the value in Theta. So over the last 6 days, we can see how the market price in Theta is hovering around $7, $7.50. The next area of restriction is around 8. So as I'm speaking, we need to keep these numbers in mind. $7.50, which we're 25 cents away right now, to $8. That is where the market in Theta is being played. Okay, so let me give it to you all visually to show you that this area right here is restriction. That's the first area. Second area is up here, 8. Okay, now given the 3-day, the 5-day time frame, the market here in Theta definitely looks to try to trek towards $8. Okay, I don't see the market actually finding a major restriction point at $7.25. So our eyes need to be fixated on a number higher than where we're currently trading in Theta, which is currently around $8. And then in the long term, maybe around 9. We can see this market price in Theta run towards. Now, let me show you all the weekly time frame. 4 days, 15 hours left, but generally we're still seeing the strength into the market. Now, if we had like an hour left on this current weekly price bar, right here, I would definitely be very, very bullish into the market in Theta, but we got 4 days to 15 hours, right? So I cannot be too dependent. I cannot be too bullish. I cannot give you all a prediction that is overly bullish because we still got a lot of time before this bar completes. But so far, there is definitely some strength being exhibited on this price chart for Theta. So let's run it. I mean, there's nothing hard to actually see visually. There's nothing hard to comprehend on what the market is trying to do. It's trying to go higher in price. So we're going to continue to follow that same notion. So if we're looking for the price to go higher, and I told you that $8 is that first point of restriction, that gives us around 11% profitability, right? So we got to be prepared. I mean, we have to be prepared to try to skim off some profits while we have it. We don't want to let the trap regain the profits that we've already garnered or received from him. So when the price reaches up there towards $8, you got to be prepared to skim off some of that profitability into the market in Theta. And of a positive note, I definitely like the fact that price in Theta is now trading above $5 or $6. That is very, very positive. So as long as price in Theta maintains itself above $6, you guys remember I told you all about that, the price will continue to go higher. Outside of us trading alongside this overall long-term ascending line is even better. So the first point for us to try to skim off some profits into the market will be around $8. The second area would be, I'm gonna grab down here around $8.65, give or take. So as we see this market continue to trade throughout the month of August, this is what we're expecting. We're still expecting the market to try to give us some movement to the upside. Okay, so let me bring it in so you all can see what we're looking forward to into this space for Theta. Okay, you see that? So we got $8 first. Second area TP would be around like $8.65, $8.60. And that's it, we're done. That wasn't hard, was it? It wasn't complicated. We came through, see where the trap has been to try to gauge where he's headed. So you're part of our community, right? We definitely enjoy a lot of the price predictions you all be giving us in the comment section. So give us another one. Let us know where you are expecting the price in Theta to be in the next 3 weeks, right? We want everyone in our community to eat. So let's run a play. Give me your play as to where you're expecting the market price in Theta to go. Drop me a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.